But first, I'm going to touch on the news, see what's going on, and then I'm going to finish with a little gift again to help you win in crypto. So there hasn't been much happening in crypto over the last 24 hours, but one story that caught my eye was about Donald Trump for a change. Trump Media wants to partner with Crypto.com for ETP issuance. Trump Media is partnering with Crypto.com to launch ETPs and ETFs. The investment vehicles backed by back-end technology and custody solutions from Crypto.com are set to launch in 2025. This partnership is the latest in a series of crypto initiatives backed by Trump and his family. US President Donald Trump's media company, Trump Media, is looking to partner with crypto exchange Crypto.com to launch a series of exchange-traded products and funds ETFs, the company said on Monday. And that's probably why Crow, the native token for Crypto.com, has jumped by just over 30% in the last 24 hours. Now, the only other story that caught my eye really in the last 24 hours was on Cointelegraph. Bitcoin bottom forming as Fed eases and Trump softens on tariffs. Bitcoin could be gearing up to return to the $90,000 level after Trump signaled plans to ease tariffs and the Federal Reserve held firm against inflation fears last week. Bitcoin may have bottomed and could rebound towards $90,000 after US President Donald Trump signaled a willingness to ease tariffs and the Federal Reserve resisted short-term pressure last week, according to a crypto analyst. Bitcoin is attempting to form a bottom, supported by Trump's recent shift towards flexibility on the upcoming April 2nd reciprocal tariffs, softening his earlier rhetoric. The tariffs are one of the reasons what's been causing all the panic, all the uncertainty, but it's just part of the bigger game. Basically, Donald Trump is using the tariffs, another leverage to drive interest rates down because the US have to pay huge amounts of debts. They have to reservice them debts this year, 2020, 25. And you, fucking hell, 2025. And you're talking trillions of dollars. So if he can lower them interest rates, it's hugely important. So that's basically what's going to happen. And to pay them debts, they will turn the money printers on, the Fed and other central banks around the world, so they can pay the debts, and that money will eventually trickle down to crypto. First, it goes to property, bonds, stocks, etc., and then it gets to riskier assets like Bitcoin and crypto. So we are going to see a bull market. We just have to be a bit patient. So that's just about it for the news over the last 24 hours. There hasn't been really that much going on. So I'm going to go over 15 crypto rules that will help you in 2025. This is going to be an upcoming video on my main channel next week, but I'm just going to rattle through these rules, hopefully to help you. Rule number 1, avoid day trading. Part of learning how to invest, you have to understand your relationship with money. So I've been investing for 24 years, and I know I'm an emotional investor, so there's no chance of me doing day trading. I would lose like most other people. For me, it's all about long-term buy and hold. Rule number 2, being early is a cheat code. The biggest profits come from positioning yourself before the masses catch on. Think Bitcoin 2013, Ethereum 2016, Solana 2020. Rule number 3, buy quality cheap. It's not just what you buy, it's when you buy. Rule number 4, ignore the media. Ignore the noise. Rule number 5, think long term, as I've said. For me, this is how you win as an investor with stocks, property, crypto, whatever. Long term, buy and hold. Rule number 6, risk management equals survival. If you don't manage risk, you won't survive long enough to make money. Rule number 8, understand market cycles. At this moment in time, markets are cyclical. So you've got your 4-year business cycle, and the crypto markets are linked to the business cycle at this moment in time. So it is quite easy when you think of it as a 4-year cycle. Learn the 4-year cycle. So that's rule number 8. Rule number 9, control your emotions. This is a hard one. As I said, I am an emotional investor, and crypto has been hard over the last 8 years for me personally. But over the last few years, I've learned to zoom out, think long term. But that volatility can be hard. Rule number 9, control your emotions. Rule number 10, timing the market, not timing the market. Please don't try to time the market. Rule number 11, really important, focus on security. Rule number 12, take a break from crypto. If you find yourself looking at CoinMarketCap, literally for the checking your cryptos, literally every 5 minutes, take a break. Go for a walk, go to the gym, whatever you can do to calm yourself down. Rule number 13, stay fully up to date with the crypto market. My main thing is to know where we are in the cycle. Are we in a downtrend, sideways, uptrend? Then you can use this information to exit the market. Rule number 14, take profit. Having an exit strategy is the most important thing for us investors in 2025 as far as I'm concerned. And lastly, rule number 15, keep good records and pay your tax. I don't want to pay my tax, but there are ways that you can be tax efficient and even ways you can avoid paying tax legally. I have just done a video on my channel on how to avoid tax. I've got a few videos on how to avoid tax. But you are going to have to pay capital gains tax if you're in the UK or in the US, similar countries at this moment in time. So that's just about it for me going live today. I did say I was going to finish off with giving you a gift, and that's related to my crypto community. So I've got a crypto community, and that gift is you can join for free for 7 days. You get a 7-day free trial, so it's zero risk. Now in this community, you get 5 courses currently: Crypto Investing Made Simple, Crypto Cash Out, Complete Investing. You get a one-to-one strategy call and when to sell your crypto. This community, you get around other like-minded investors, you get the crypto courses, and you also get a weekly newsletter. This newsletter goes over latest news and things like when to take profits, exactly when I'm taking profits and why. And I also touch on my portfolio. So get in the community, and the link can be found on my YouTube channel. I've got a free community in school, and that teaches you how to invest in stocks. But my crypto community is $19 a month, which is about £15 in the UK. And again, you get a 7-day free trial, so it's zero risk. I'm not even asked if you get in, complete the courses, and then get out. I just want to help people with my 8 years of experience in crypto. So just to finish plugging my community, I'm going to read the About page. Learn everything you need to know about crypto investing to speed up financial freedom. Get the proven step-by-step system I've used to build a 6-figure portfolio in crypto. No risk, as I said, as you get a 7-day free trial. The price is increasing soon. Whether I do that or not, I'm not sure yet. You get Crypto Investing Made Simple, value $250. Complete Investing, value $250. Crypto Cash Out, value $250. Weekly newsletter, value $250. As I said, you can join for 7 days, complete all these courses, and then get out. I'm not asked, as long as you do them. If you believe anything is possible and dream of retiring early or even financial freedom, this group is for you. With crypto, you have an amazing opportunity to do just that if you invest now. What you're getting easy to follow videos, like all the free videos you're getting on this channel. You get step-by-step strategy to maximize profits, how to avoid common investment mistakes, saving you serious money. So you're going to make mistakes as an investor, especially in crypto, but the main course, Crypto Investing Made Simple, the most value you're going to get is learn about my mistakes over the last 8 years and how to avoid them. You get case studies to demonstrate how to invest in any market conditions, like the financial crisis 2008, European crisis 2013, COVID 2020, inflation that's been massively high over the last few years, etc. Weekly newsletter focusing on market indicators, crypto news, updates, and how to take profits. Total value, $1,000, now just $19 a month. So that's my little plug over with. That's this little live. It's me going live for today over with. I just want to give you the latest news, tell you about an upcoming video, and basically tell you all about my crypto community. I believe that If you get around other investors, you become a better investor. And I believe that we all need help and support with anything we do, especially investing, especially crypto investing. Anyway, that'll do for now. Let's have a little look at what people are saying. Hi, Gupta Arts. Ever seen a one-eyed 10-inch pants cobra? Thanks, Dan. That's about, I won't go over any more comments. A few little keyboard warriors in there. Thanks for watching, for anyone who's joined, and I'll see you later in the week.